JASMY Coin did actually exactly what I told you in my last video, what I predicted in my last video. So if you haven't seen this video, then watch first this video, and right now, right after this video, go to my channel and watch my last video about JASMY Coin. So let's talk about again what JASMY Coin actually did. So in my last video we talked about the key resistance level, this area here, the red box, and JASMY came exactly to this box and got a rejection, a sell-off right from this box. It tried to break above this box with a little tiny wick, but got a rejection and came again right now to the golden pocket. If you look, this could go right now in to both directions. Maybe we see a move again to the upside. It also can go lower. So this candle right now has nearly 13 hours. So I haven't watched this candle, this daily candle, in 12 to 13 hours, how it looks like at this time. So for right now, let's zoom in and look at the 4-hourly chart, because here you can actually see it pretty clear that JASMY Coin, the price continues to go up, but the RSI came lower. So let me show you this and draw this for you. So first, the price goes up while the RSI is going down. So that is called a bearish divergence. And a bearish divergence is mostly a sign and indicator that the price will go into the other direction and continue to go lower. And exactly this happened. So that was a move of, let's say, 12-13%. So what can we expect right now from JASMY? So let's take a look on the hourly chart. That was not so good. Okay, back to where it was, the Fibonacci retracement. So if you look here on the hourly chart, then you can see that right now JASMY is under the EMA ribbons, came actually a little lower than the golden pocket, and right now this is actually a make it or break it moment, because if JASMY Coin cannot come over the EMA ribbons on this hourly chart, maybe the move to the downside will continue. The EMA ribbons are flipped also again into the red on the hourly chart. If you look again on the 4-hourly, here are the EMA ribbons still pretty spread out and still green. But on the hourly, this is right now for the next hours definitely very important what will happen. So as I told you, let's go back to the daily chart without the RSI. We have right now still more things that can happen. So the first thing is, from this golden pocket we see another move to the upside, maybe a breakout above this previous high. That is the bullish one, of course. The bearish one is that JASMY coin will come to the EMA ribbon to the 0.5 Fibonacci level, and actually this is also the point of control at 0.010248. If this level will not hold, then in my opinion actually I would expect a retest of an area something between this 0.236 level and this support line here, this green support line. Something in between this area should give support for JASMY coin for another move to the upside. So you can see this is right now very critical for JASMY coin and will decide the direction for the next days, weeks and month. So be careful, watch out what will happen here, and write me in comments what do you think about JASMY coin. Is this still one with a lot of potential? So what do you think? If you're new here on my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go and subscribe, click on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up if you like my videos, and if you want to trade, of course, it's on you. Check out my links in the description for Bitget, FEMAX, OKX and MEXC and claim up your bonus depending on your initial deposit. And with that being said, this is no financial advice. Always do your research and never ever trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. We see us in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Namaste. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.